Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Nowadays, most of the IT professionals, non-IT professionals, everyone have desire to come to data science field, and everywhere there is a talk of data science, data scientist. But most of the people they really don't know what is data science. So, data scientist is not just the only profession in data science. First, they should know what is data science, what are the roles in data science field, what are the roles and responsibilities, what exactly data scientist, what is data analyst, what is data engineer, what is data consultant, what is data services consultant, what is data science analyst. So many people have confusion whether I should go to data scientist role or data engineering role. First, try to explore what are the skills required for each role. Then decide what you want to become. Then come to the conclusion in which role you are very much interested. Nowadays, what happens is like people rush to the profession where there is a high pay scale. You all know that data scientists are paid very good salary package, but the task is also a tedious task. It requires lot of skills, lot of analytical skills, lot of mathematical skills, and it requires lot of domain knowledge, critical thinking, and business knowledge. And for data engineering role, you need to have a lot of technical skills like Hadoop, Spark, PySpark, Docker, Kubernetes, ETL, and so on. So, so I request everyone decide what you want to become, then come to the field which you are interested. Thank you.